Fort Worth, Texas, April 26, 2026.
Look at that car. Let me see if I... Oh my God.
The powerful storm that passed through most of North Texas Saturday night packed a particular punch in and around Fort Worth and Springtown in Parker County. Springtown officials are continuing to survey the damage, according to a 10:30 a.m. social media post by the city. Most roadways within the city limits have been cleared of major debris, officials said. Flooding was also reported in many areas of Fort Worth, where cars were seen stuck in the floodwaters and unable to move. After a night and morning of heavy storms, neighbors are helping neighbors in Springtown. Last night brought devastating storms, and for a moment everything felt a little heavy, residents wrote on social media. In the middle of all the chaos, people showed up. WFAA crews were on the scene observing the aftermath. Our Rebecca Lopez reported from a road located about 2 miles south of Springtown. She spotted a series of downed trees so large they may have been the victim of a tornado, if not powerful winds. Also, there were downed power lines and homes that looked to have sustained flood damage. Several residents also described driving in rain and hail that hit her vehicle. Such descriptions were constant through the night for most of the western half of the Metroplex. Chief Meteorologist Pete Delkus has confirmed that winds as high as 90 miles per hour hit the Springtown area. The city of Springtown posted on Facebook not long after midnight a notice to report electricity outages to either Encore or the Tri-County Electric Cooperative, the two major suppliers of electricity to the area. Early Sunday morning, Encore reported that almost 40,000 of its customers in North Texas were without power, with nearly 25,000 of those in Tarrant County alone. As of 10:45 a.m., there are still power outages across the North Texas area. According to Encore, there are still more than 13,000 without power in Tarrant, Dallas, Parker, and Wise counties.
Wow.
Earlier alerts from the city on Facebook spoke to the possibility of a tornado touching down in the Springtown area. But a tornado has not been confirmed as of 10:30 a.m. Sunday. After the storm's greatest impact around 10:30 p.m. Saturday, residents were warned against traveling due to the number of downed trees and power lines throughout the city. Major damage was reported in Runaway Bay after a possible tornado touched down there just after 9 p.m., according to the Wise County Messenger. At least one home was reportedly destroyed and multiple other homes were heavily damaged in the area of Cumberland Trail and Overland Trail on the city's west side. The storm caused significant structural damage across multiple neighborhoods, resulting in at least 20 families displaced.